In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard. Now, if you can't see microphone icon at the top right corner, don't worry, you are not the only one. That's actually a common issue. To fix it, use this gear, tap on voice typing, and use gray switcher next to use voice typing to switch it on. When your switcher is blue, you can go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. But now my favorite feature, which is clicking on tiny icon right next to microphone 1. Firstly, turn on voice typing. Then click on this icon right next to it. And now you can use voice typing from this little toolbar. To delete text right away, use this button with an X. To manage toolbar settings and keyboard settings, click on this icon on the left and operate all of those. To move your toolbar around, just hold it, drag it, and let go wherever you want to. And last but not least, to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!